When you call the for sale by owner, the big difference between a for sale by owner and a real estate agent is the for sale by owner has their scripts memorized. The agents many times are winging it, okay? So when we call a for sale by owner and you're a fearless agent, we're gonna say, hi, my name is Bob Loeffler. You're gonna use your own name, by the way. Hi, my name is Bob Loeffler. I'm a real estate agent with a company called XYZ Realty. And I was just calling because my records indicate that your house is for sale by owner. Is that true? Now, my records indicate what that does is it kind of knocks them off their game. So the reality is with a for sale by owner or an expired, they're either going to blow you off in 2 seconds or you're going to have a nice, comfortable conversation. So you've got to trick them into having that nice, comfortable conversation. We have to have a set of words that causes that. So my records indicate, kind of gets them off their game. And then I said, my records indicate that your house is for sale by owner. Is that true? And that takes away the thing that they always love to say to us, which is, oh, we're selling it ourselves. Now they can't say that because I already said it. Sometimes they'll still say it. They'll say, oh, we're selling it ourselves. I go, stop my ribs, you're killing me. I just said that, right? Okay. So they say yes, and then you launch into just a couple of questions about their favorite topic, their house. Now you can hurt yourself by asking too many questions. So don't ask about the price. Don't ask them where they're moving to. Ask them a couple of questions about, does your house have would you describe it as a big backyard or a smaller backyard? Does your house have both a living room and a family room or a great room, or how does that work? And get them thinking, and that causes that nice, comfortable conversation to happen. Then, again, don't hurt yourself by asking too many questions, just two. And then say, we're going to hit them with the setup question. Now, this is the secret to the science of sales. You have this elaborate setup that leads to one magic question that has no wrong answer, and you already know the answer. And you apply that to every part of your sales career, and then this gets a lot easier. So the setup question with a for sale by owner is, hey, let me ask you something. You're trying to sell your house by not having it on the market with a real estate professional. Is that because you hate realtors? Now, for the first time, they've probably heard that their house is not on the market. We realtors are very bad about this. We've got to get our story straight. Many times, realtors will say, how long have you been selling your house? Isn't the better question, how long has your house been sitting there not selling? Or they'll say, Mr. FSBO, how long have you had your house on the market? Well, their house isn't on the market. What is the market? It starts with ML. You know the market. So we got to get our story straight. So hey, let me ask you something. You're trying to sell your house by not having it on the market. Pause just a second. With a real estate professional. Is that because you hate realtors? And they're going to say, no, I don't hate realtors. And then you're going to have to act like you literally could not believe that was their answer. You got to go, really? So it's not because you hate realtors. What is it about? And they're going to say, well, we don't want to pay a commission. And you have to go, really? So it's about money? And they're going to go, yeah, it's about money. And then you say, let me ask you this. And then you hit them with the magic question that works every single time. Let me ask you this. If you knew absolutely for certain that by doing business with me, that two things would happen. One is your house would actually sell. The other is that you'd end up with way, way more money bottom line than you could get any other way, with or without an agent, and I know that's a big promise, but if you knew that, would you at least want to hear about it? I mean, be honest.